Guys, I've got the new Nintendo Switch 2, so it's finally came, and I'm going to quickly do a quick unboxing of it. So this is the packaging, just like the Switch 1's packaging, but just with a nasty dent here. Okay, let's get straight to it. Okay, so here you get the new Joy-Cons. Wow, these look good. Much bigger as well. Much bigger. Feels very good. Let's get the other one. And here's this machine itself. So yeah, I did open it already, and I did put a screen protector, so I'm just waiting for this bubble to go. But here it is. This is my proper first look at it now. This is how the stand works. I mean, it's a new solid stand, which is really good. The new magnetic Joy-Con there. Put your game card in here. Just lifts up like that. I like that, it looks quite cool. It's metal in there as well. Type C there. Headphone jack. And Type C there as well, which is good, so you can play with ease. Okay, let's try this. This is my first time doing this, so let's see. Wow. That fits nicely. Just push this down. Unlocks so much easier, so much better. That's nice. Look at that, look at the size of this. Definitely bigger. Amazing. Okay, let's see what else is in the box. So this is some instructions and cables. HDMI, ultra high speed one, which is good, and all the little accessories for the Joy-Con. And what is this? Oh no, it's just the accessories, that's it. Okay, just like the Switch 1, you get this. So you can put the Joy-Cons on it and use it like a proper, controller. So that's the new one, it's good. But I won't be using that, I'm going to get the Pro controller. Still waiting for that to come. New charger, so there's the plug. Good thing with this plug, it's detachable, just like the phones and that, which is very good. Nice little charger. And it says Nintendo on it. So you get the cable here as well, which is nice. So I'm going to leave all this in here for now, but let's have a look at this. This is the new dock, which boosts your Switch up even more on 4K. Look at that. It's actually an alright looking dock. 2 USBs there. Because from the pictures I was like, not fully sure, but real life it looks quite good. See the vents as well, I think it's got a fan in it. I want to see how to open this. You hold it. Yep, that was easy. HDMI and AC and your LAN cable, which is good. So I'll definitely be using that. First of all, let's see how we can put this back. So you slide it down here, and then that's it. Very nice. So this is my Switch OLED. So I'll put that there. I know I've got these. Actually, let me take these off just to show a comparison. I'll just leave the case on. And let's get the Switch 2. Look at the size difference. That is So much bigger. So much bigger. But it feels good. I'm gonna get some grip. I think this same case I'm gonna get here. It's just gonna be black. Because it's still quite flat for me. This is my opinion. But it does feel nice. It's much bigger. And I just need to push that down. I'll do that after. But definitely much better. The size. This is what we needed. And especially this, I like this. So there's some games I've got to test. I'm waiting for my Cyberpunk. I've got Mario Kart as well. And I'll be testing them. But so far this is my quick unboxing of the Switch 2 and I can't wait to try it. Thanks for watching.